My dear students, now I want to discuss the problem number of study material 6 and miscellaneous problem number 16 of NCERT. This problem is very important for the purpose of examination. So this problem is, if cos y is equal to x into cos of angle a plus y with a is not equal to plus minus 1, prove that dy by dx is equal to cos square of angle a plus y by sin a. Hence, so that sin a d2y by dx square plus sin of angle 2 times of a plus y dy by dx is equal to 0. So, my dear students, this problem is very important for the purpose of examination also. I have already written. This question was asked in 2016 and perhaps it was also asked in the examination in other year also. Now, my dear students, cos y is equal to x into cos of angle a plus y. This problem may be solved, as I think, by 2 or 3 ways. But here I discussed the shortest method of the solution of the problem. One method is you directly differentiate both sides, and other method, which is short, is you write x is equal to cos y by cos a plus y. Now differentiating with respect to y, not x, we get dx by dy is equal to cos of angle a plus y. Now you differentiate it by u by v method, and it is cos of angle a plus y d by dy of cos y minus cos y and d by dy by a plus y, cos of angle a plus y, and in the denominator it will be cos square of the angle a plus y. So now dx by dy is equal to minus cos of angle a plus y, and d by dy of cos y is equal to sin y minus cos y into minus sin of angle a plus y and cos square of angle a plus y. Now dx by dy is equal to sin ay into cos y minus cos of angle a plus y into sin y divided by cos square of angle a plus y. So it will be sin of angle a minus b, sin of angle a plus y minus y divided by cos square of angle a plus y. So dx by dy is equal to sin a cos square of angle a plus y. So dy by dx is equal to cos square of angle a plus y divided by sin a. So this problem is very important for the purpose of examination, and you must do this problem in this way also. For second part, now sin a dy by dx is equal to cos square of angle a plus y. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get sin a, it is constant, d2y by dx square minus twice of angle cos of angle a plus y into sin of angle a plus y dy by dx. Now sin a d2y by dx square plus sin of angle twice a plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. My dear student, this is the shortest method. Now problem number 7 is similar to problem number 6. It was also asked in the examination Delhi 2012 and All India 2009. So you must solve this problem also. Now problem number of miscellaneous exercise 23 and study material 8. If y is equal to e to the power a cos inverse x minus 1 less than equal to x, x less than equal to 1. So that 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx minus a square y is equal to 0. It was also asked in All India Examination 2010 and 2015 also. What is given in this problem? Y is equal to a cos inverse x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to a cos inverse x, dy dx a cos inverse x. That is dy by dx is equal to the value of a cos inverse x is equal to y. So we write here y, dy dx a cos inverse x. Now dy by dx is equal to y, and the differentiation of cos inverse x is equal to minus a divided by root over 1 minus x square. So finally we have root over 1 minus x square dy by dx is equal to minus ay. We consider equation first, equation second. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get root over 1 minus x square d2y by dx square. We differentiate it by u into v method plus dy by dx minus 2x root over 1 minus x square into 2. It is on the formula differentiation of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x and minus x square minus 2x. It is minus a dy by dx 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx is equal to minus a dy by dx root over 1 minus x square and 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx minus a into minus ay, and it will be 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx is equal to a square plus y. And after simplification we have 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx minus a square y is equal to 0. My dear student, this is very important problem, and it is from NCERT book also. So you must do this problem again so that you would be solved to problem in the examination, board examination also. Thank you very much.